Portugal's countryside offers hidden gems where affordability meets charm. From quaint villages to historic towns, these properties provide opportunities to enjoy rural living without the high prices of coastal areas. Today, we explore 4 remarkable homes, all offering character, potential, and stunning surroundings. We begin in the iconic Algarve in a quiet village near Almeida, Loulé. Priced at just 60,000 euros, this property is a rare inland find. The home offers a cozy size, making it ideal as a holiday retreat or a small permanent residence, with some modernization needed inside. Step onto the spacious balcony and enjoy breathtaking mountain views. Perfect for relaxing under the Algarve sun. In addition, the property includes 12 plots of land of varying sizes, ideal for farming, gardening, or other agricultural projects. A peaceful haven surrounded by nature. This property presents an exceptional opportunity to own a slice of Portugal away from the expensive coastal areas. Next, we visit the charming town of Figueiró dos Vinhos e Bairadas. Priced at 67,000 euros, this detached 3-bedroom house offers enormous potential for anyone seeking a renovation project. Inside, you'll find a traditional layout with a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and cellar, plus an attic space that could expand the living area. The land spans over 1,370 square meters, stretching both in front of the house, descending towards the Zezer River, and behind the house, climbing up the hillside. Scattered across the property are several outbuildings, some ready for renovation and others ideal for rebuilding entirely. With vision and effort, this property could be transformed into a stunning countryside home or a unique tourist rental. In the historic village of Vale de Mula, Almeida, we find a rare dual property opportunity priced at 69,000 euros. This listing includes 2 traditional Portuguese homes, one already in pleasant, livable condition, and the second a blank canvas ready for full renovation. Together, the homes offer 458 square meters of gross construction area and a 50 square meter courtyard. Perfect for enjoying a glass of wine under the open sky. With creativity and effort, this property could become a beautiful dual home retreat, combining rustic charm, heritage, and exceptional potential in one tranquil rural setting. Finally, we visit the village of Santa Bárbara de Padrão in Castro, Verde. Available for 80,000 euros, this traditional Portuguese home offers an authentic Alentejo lifestyle. The exterior features classic whitewashed walls with sunny yellow accents, while inside, cool tiled floors and exposed wooden beams add both practicality and rustic charm. The property includes 1 bedroom, a bathroom, a cozy living room with a wood-burning stove, and a kitchen with a traditional Alentejo fireplace. Outside, a generous 207 square meter patio with olive and orange trees provides the perfect space to relax and enjoy the village atmosphere. Move-in ready and full of character, this home is ideal for anyone seeking peace, authenticity, and the charm of rural Portugal. Each of these properties showcases the diversity and potential of Portugal's countryside. From affordable renovation projects to move-in ready retreats, these homes offer a chance to experience rural life, stunning landscapes, and the slower pace that Portugal's villages are known for. Whether you're dreaming of a quiet holiday escape, a permanent move surrounded by nature, or a project that you can truly make your own, opportunities like these still exist if you're willing to look beyond the usual hotspots. Portugal's interior regions continue to reward those seeking authenticity, space, and value, making them an